the Nescafe Dolce Gusto from Krups. It's a really stylish multi-coffee maker that allows you to make the perfect tasting coffee in a matter of seconds. It's really easy to set up and get started, so I'll show you how it's done. Simply fill the water reservoir at the back with fresh water and switch on. Whilst it heats up, choose your favourite flavour from the selection of pods provided. Lift up this lever and pull out the drawer. Pop the pod in, shock drawer, pull the lever down, and at the top there's another lever for hot or cold. Simply put this to the left for cold or right to hot, depending on what you want. Simply stop the flow of water once you're happy with the strength. The flow of water doesn't shut off automatically, leaving you in total control of the size of drink and strength you desire. And there you have it, my perfect espresso to start me for the morning. Lovely. Once it's done, discard the used pod and enjoy your delicious, freshly made coffee. No mess, no hassle, just perfect coffee every time.